Assalamu alaikum. If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Moreover, for appreciation, like our video and share it with your friends. You can also comment below giving your suggestions. Now let's start today's video. Kinds of letters. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U and the consonants are all the other letters. The vowels can be sounded without the help of other letters. H, W and Y are semi-vowels as they produce vowel sounds partially. For example, or in which H is silent. W and Y are taken as vowels when they do not begin with a syllable. In way, Y is a vowel, but W is a consonant. The consonants cannot be sounded without the help of other letters. The word. It is a group of letters or combination of words with some meaning, or 3 letters plus 3 sounds. It is the smallest unit of language that people can understand when they hear or read it. In English, it is composed of one or more letters from A to Z. A, one, play, building, Taj, government, etc. are words. Words make up a phrase, clause, or sentence. Word structure. The syllable. It is a word or part of a word that contains a single vowel sound. It can be uttered with a single stretch of voice. For example, can, say, play, single syllables, but cannot. 2 syllables, can and not. A syllable always contains a vowel sound. One syllabled or monosyllabled words. Do, trick, step, gun, must, kick, stone, play, etc. These have one unit sounds. 2 syllabled, 3 syllabled words and words having more syllables than 3 may be noted from these examples. Playing, 2 syllabled, Kashmir, 2 syllabled, condition, 3 syllabled, hopelessness, 3 syllabled, engineering, 4 syllabled, dispassionate, 4 syllabled, particularly, 5 syllabled, nationalization, 6 syllabled. For stressed and unstressed syllables of words, look up a standard dictionary. The affix. It means here a letter or group of letters added to the beginning or end of a word to change its meaning or the way it is used. It is a prefix or suffix. The prefix. It means a letter or group of words added to the front of a word to change its meaning. The prefix in inexact is in. In today, the prefix is to. In useless, the prefix is used. In re-employ, the prefix is re. In two-way, the prefix is to. In high principled, the prefix is high. In earless, the prefix is ear. This fix. It means a letter or group of letters added to the end of a word to make another word. Less in careless, lay in slowly, L in additional, free in trouble free, Y in dirty are suffixes. In words, we have to be careful about the way they are spelled, with or without prefixes or suffixes. Accent. It is stress laid on a single syllable, as in terror, the first syllable ter is stressed. Emphasis. It is stressed applied to a syllable, word or phrase by the use of gestures, motions of body parts, italics or other signs, as in it will horrify all of us. All the sentence is emphasized. In whom can we trust? Whom is emphasized. In wonder, the first syllable one is emphasized or stressed. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like our video and share it with your friends. You can also comment below for your suggestions.